Here's a little deal of bits and pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I've just scooped these out of a bucket. Some are better than others. That little piece there looks like the brown cut off there. End up with a little crystal type stone. Blues and reds in that piece. Again, the boulder will cut off that, I think. Another little small stone. I think that brown will polish off as well. Doesn't look like there's anything in that bit. Greens. Not much. Very fine. Some of this will come off perhaps, but it's very thin. Need to be careful. This piece, colour bar goes across here, so bluey, royal blue. Couple more bits. That might grind off that corner, end up with a stone. Couple other pieces like that piece. There's a colour bar going through the middle there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.